Hello, welcome back to EDOS Kuto channel. Today, what I'm going to show you about is how you are going to pick a stone from the board, and how you are going to, add your stone to the board. This is a pattern, so you have to put stone into it. What you need something like this to hold little of your stone. Then when you get to the market, you buy this any color you want. They have it in gold, white, all kind of colors. Make sure you get the original, where it depends on the type of quality your customer wants actually. So you can see that I'm already working on this one. When you want to do it, the right way for you to do it is, you pour stone here. You can use your eye to guide it like this. You spread it. Once you spread it, this one I just want to do a little from this one. So you need this. This is from my weaving machine. Yes, it normally came with it. But if you don't have weaving machine, you can go outside where they are selling tailoring material. You ask them that you want to buy a picker, stone picker. They can call it stone picker or it's a picker. And also a technician, engineer, the one that is used to repair your phone. They mostly have it at their shop. You can go and get it there. It's not that cost. I think when I bought my own was 300, maybe it's 500 naira now. So it depends on your area. You can get it in the store. This is picker, stone picker. So this is how I've already said some. This is how you are going to do it. The one that face upside down, we use it to turn it, put it inside the hole. You have to have a lot of patience before you can do it, and you don't have to be where there is crowded or people are going to be disturbing, because once it shake like this, all the work you have been doing, if you have been doing it for 1 hour, everything is spoiled. So once I finish this, I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut. I'm going to bring it out. So you see this is what I'm going to use to pick it out. I have finished placing putting stone inside the design I want to use. This is the outcome, you can see. So I need now to cut out the nylon I'm going to use. So you have to give it some space. The normal length for this one is 1.5.3 inches. So 0.3 point. So 2.5. I'm going to cut 2.5 so that there can be space. 2.5. I will cut 2.5. The length, you have to be very careful so that the length is going to be 15. Yes, so that it can have space behind. So this is what I'm going to use to pick it out. So 15 away. I can just cut this out straight. You have to be very careful because it is full of gum. So you can see be very careful too. You can find some pieces of cloth. I use this small little one as an example so that it can be easier, because if you are going to do this one, if it is this one, the bigger one here, so you have to be very careful that there is no hole, that you do not put any stone, because that's how it's going to bring out the full pattern on the board. Yeah, all right, let me remove it. You see? If you see any of the stone that did not pick, just put it back in the hole. That's why you are not going to pull the nylon off immediately, because if you pull it off immediately, you won't know where the stone supposed to be again. So that is going to spoil the design, and it's going to be like the stone and the nylon and everything. That means you have to restart it back again. So you know, I'm like, you need to have a lot of patience. No, nobody for you to beat, you know, let me do this. No. And this stone is a small stone, actually. It's not a big stone. It's the other stone that's big. It will be easier to pick than this. This stone is quite expensive, and it's, I don't know, it's kind of quality. See? That's small. This is small sign up. And you see, this is the outcome. Despite that, there are still some of it. You can see. So you have to do this one after. That's why I said you have to be very careful. For a safer place, you can just put it back like this. You should put it back to the cover. So this cover is going to guide it when you are ready to place it on your clothes. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can comment below if you think there is anything you did not understand. Thanks for watching.